Today I will draw the Goku with the dragon with my cool pencil. So let's start the drawing. पहले मैं यहाँ पर एक प्लस का साइन बना लूँगा जिससे मुझे पता चल सके कि कौन सा पार्ट कहाँ पर आएगा. And now I draw a circle for the face. And my sketch is done. Now I erase the outline slightly. और अब टर्न है लाइन आर्ट की. And my art line is also done. Now it's turn to color. तो कलर के लिए यूज करूँगा मैं अल्कोहल मार्कर एंड कलर पेंसिल्स. पहले मैं गोकू में बेस लेयर करूँगा, उसके बाद मैं इसमें डिटेल्स ऐड करूँगा. तो यहाँ पर मेरा स्किन टोन ड्राई हो चुका है, बट डोंट वरी, लेट्स मैजिक.
Everybody come here, gather round.
फेस पर बेस लेयर पूरी हो चुकी है. नाउ कलर द क्लॉथ एंड आई यूज मैरीगोल्ड फॉर इट.
Living in my own head, constantly thoughts jumbled round. Think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show 'em what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let 'em win. I'll take a stab, I wanna chase a bag. I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack.
Best layer is done. Now adding some details.
Scratch. I'll give up everything. If I could see my dreams, make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality. Don't let go. Don't let go. I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality. I just wanna find a way out, sick of the venom in my brain. Running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this. I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake.
तो यहाँ पर गोकू पूरा हो चुका है. एंड नाउ कलर द ड्रैगन. मैं इन 3 कलर से इस पे बेस लेयर करूँगा और उसके बाद डिटेल्स ऐड करूँगा.
In my brain, running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this. I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once, I just so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything,
My base layer is done and now doing details.
the outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but
I used dark green for dark areas. now giving some highlight with white color. And my drawing has completed. Now doing the background. Use watercolor for background. बैकग्राउंड में कलर पूरा हो चुका है एंड नाउ हाईलाइट द क्लाउड्स विद द पेन. मेरी पूरी ड्राइंग कंप्लीट हो चुकी है एंड नाउ चेक द रिजल्ट.